Welcome back to WAL-ED Tech, 60 Days of Google Tips for Educators. Today we're turning our attention to Google Sheets. Going to learn to do a few cool things in Google Sheets, starting with how to sort. So if you have a Google Sheet, and this is kind of a takeoff of our Google Forms section. These are our sample responses in a Google form here. But if I want to use this sheet and I want to sort by different things. Sorting means put things in a certain order other than what they are in the screen. So this is how the responses came into my Google form. If I want to sort them all by the same student, I can simply come here to the column marked student name, and you can choose to sort this sheet in alphabetical order. So if I do sort, it's going to put all the student names together along with their scores. I could also come in here and say I want to sort this by the highest score on the speaking part of this rubric, and so I just come to that column of my sheet, and again I'm just going to sort this sheet from the highest, so from Z to A, and this puts this column from the highest score in speaking down to the lowest, and I can see how each student did based on each section. So that is how sorting works in Google Sheets. I hope that helps you make some more sense of your data and helps you to rearrange it so it makes more sense for you when you're sorting through different things in your sheet. We'll see you next time with how to use some formulas in your sheets as well.